Minions, go, you're free. Where's our money for the month? You're not getting money, you failed me. Oh man, come on guys.
Guys, what should we do?
How about we have a nerf gun war? Where do we get all the nerf guns?
I'll be right back, guys.
Up! Ow! You only got 3 guns.
4. This is mine. I'll go with the Star Wars one.
Yes, I'm going to get to this one. So that leaves me with this one.
Okay, guys, go find your places. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Take this fudge cake.
Ah! Be fair. Haha!
Take this. Easy.
This dry bones. Quit it, craphead! Even more rapid fire.
I think we can all agree that dry bones is out.
Yeah!
This Goomba.
Oh.
I'm a scaredy cat. I just want to be out.
Hey, no rapid fires. Ah!
Ah! No!
I am so happy I have a shield. I think we made a couple dents in the wall. I have a solution. Much better. Guys, can you give me all the Nerf guns?
Where are the nerf guns? Luigi's triggering me.